Okay, functions class, we are going to, I don't like red, I'm going to do a different color. Okay, we're going to learn, we did this warm up in class, and so we talked a lot about how to set up a triangle. So the way that I always draw my right triangles, and I do them the same way every time, I'm going to go ahead and draw it like this. This is going to be as good as it gets, guys. So I'm going to put my right there, because if I were to draw this in standard position, this is the position it would be in. So this says, given a triangle EFG where angle F is equal to 90 degrees, so this is my angle F, and I need to find the 6 trig ratios for angle E, and I'm given side lengths E and G. So I'm going to make this side length E and this one G. You actually can interchange them. It doesn't matter which one you choose. So if this is my angle E, then this means my side length E has to be right here. And if this is my angle G, then this has to be my side length here, because it's always the opposite side of the angle is given right there. So then to find my hypotenuse, I'm going to do 5 squared plus 12 squared equals, we're just going to call it little f. So f squared. So then I get 25 plus 144 is equal to f squared. And then I get 169 is equal to f squared. I take the square root of both sides. And I get 13 is equal to f. So then, now I can use that. So this is going to be equal to 13. Now I can use that to find. So I'm going to find the sine of E. And go ahead and do this in your notes on your own. Then I'm going to find the cosecant. So go ahead and hit pause. Oh my goodness. Okay, so if I were to find the sine of E, I would take the opposite side of E. So here is my theta. So the opposite of my angle is 5. So I have 5. And my hypotenuse is 13. Oops, I wrote 12. 13. So then I know that this is the reciprocal of it. So I'm going to have 13 over 5. Then my cosine of E is my adjacent, which is 12, over my hypotenuse, which is 13. I'm going to go ahead and do the reciprocal right there. And then my tangent is my opposite, which is 5, over my adjacent, which is 12. And this is the reciprocal, so 12 over 5. So that is one way to do it. Find the sine, then the cosecant. Find the cosine, then write the secant. Find the tangent, and then write the cotangent. Because they're reciprocal, so you just flip that fraction. So make sure you can do that. So in your notes, I would like you to go ahead and try this one on your own. Go ahead and do this one, hit pause, and then we'll go over the answer. Okay, so if we found the right side lengths, we have it says that my 90-degree angle is C. And then it says that my side A is 1, and since I put my A up here, my side length is over here. It should be in between your side lengths B and C. And I'm given C, which is the opposite side length of the 90 degrees, which is the hypotenuse, so that's 2. And then if I were to find my missing side, I get the square root of 3. So to find the sine of A, I'm going to get the opposite side of A, so 1, over the hypotenuse, which is 1 over 2. The cosecant then is going to be 2 over 1 or 2. Then the cosine of A is the adjacent, so the square root of 3, that's the square root, over 2. And my secant is going to be 2 over the square root of 3. Okay, there I need to rationalize. So I'm going to multiply by the square root of 3 times the square root of 3, and I end up with 2 times the square root of 3 over 3. Then my tangent is going to be my opposite over adjacent, so 1 over the square root of 3. And then my cotangent is going to be square root of 3 over 1. Okay, so both of these need to be simplified. So I need to rationalize that. So multiply by the square root of 3, square root of 3, and I get the square root of 3 over 3. And then this is just the square root of 3. So make sure you can do that. That is what we covered in class. So we will get some more. So check your notes.